How to get routing number of Green Dot card. Just follow my steps. Open the Green Dot mobile app. Log in with your username and password. Look for an option such as account settings. Look for SCA's routing number and account number associated with the Green Dot card. This information is usually provided for direct deposit purpose. Make note of SCA's routing number and account number. These are the numbers you can use for direct deposit. Keep in mind that these numbers are not the same as traditional routing. If you have difficulty finding this information, you can contact Green Dot customer support. Thanks for watching.